Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Tuberous sclerosis. So tuberous sclerosis, it is nothing but a calcified subependymal nodules. So it is a calcified subependymal nodules and there is SEGA. So what is this? SEGA. So SEGA, it stands for the subependymal giant cell astrocytoma. So subependymal giant cell astrocytoma. So tuberous sclerosis, calcified subependymal nodules. It is a subependymal giant cell astrocytoma, that is SEGA. The most common site includes the foramen of the Monro, and there is a cardiac rhabdomyoma. So this will be present within the heart, and there is also the renal angiomyolipoma. So this and the renal cell carcinoma. There is a pancreatic cyst which is also present. There will be a cortical tuberous as well as the LAM. This LAM stands for the lymphoangioleiomyomatosis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.